She's back from the transmission shop. Glad it's back up on the road. So far I'm very happy with it. Runs great. I think I do have a power steering leak fixed, but that's real minor considering the surgery this truck's had in the last 6 months. So here we go. See if you can see the tack. Nice firm shifts. They did a great job on it. It's hard to tell from the way it's being driven right now because it's being driven on some back streets, residential neighborhood, but it does shift pretty firm and it's shifting like it should. Actually does have a shift kit in it. And it has a Sunshell Beast, I think they call it. The transmission's been built. The guy that built it, it's got a 100,000 mile warranty on it. He said it should be good for a long time. So, pretty happy with it.